Good morning, fools. Today I will be telling you a secret. What kind of secret? A secret about myself, that is. I am not a human. Humans have a brain, a skeletal system, hands, a heart, a stomach, eyes, and a face. I also have these features. Confused? Worry not. This is my brain. I need it to function correctly. This is my skeletal system. It holds everything. These are my hands. The more I have, the more I can do. This is my heart. It gives me energy. This is my stomach. It's used to store items. This is my eye. Without it I would be blind. And lastly, this is my face. Stop looking at it. The human that uses me uses this mouse and this keyboard to control my thoughts. I am an intelligent being.